Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram name in the latest update. So let's begin. So here we are in Instagram, and to change our name is very simple. All you have to do is tap on the bottom right on our profile so that you would get here. And from here, once you are here, you want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right of our screen and then go into settings and privacy. And once you are here, you want to go into account center right here, so tap on it. And once you're here, you want to go into your profiles right there, and you want to go into your Instagram app or Instagram account right here, and you want to go into name. And from here, you can already change the name, and remember that you can only change your name twice within 14 days, so you might want to take note of that in case you're planning on changing multiple times. So you can just put whatever you want right here, and you will want to go back right here, go back right here, and let's go type it again. And then you wanna, after you type it, you wanna tap here on save. But in my case, I will not be tapping it because I don't want to change my name. But if you want to, then this is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.